Hey folks, great you're watching again. Welcome to this English summary. Today we have been puzzling with the wiring of the turret of the Type 69. This morning we started with opening that box to take a look inside. That's the gyro block. It has several gyroscopic systems in it. This is mounted to the gun, and we did a little bit explanation about how a gyroscopic system works. It has a flywheel, and a flywheel wants to, it can rotate around this axis, but in the other directions, if you want to rotate a spinning wheel, it will give resistance. You can see this with a whirligig, you know, the small toy. If you spin it around, it will stay upright. But then when it stops spinning, then it will tip over. Also for a bicycle, if you are riding bicycle, you are pretty stable. And then if you stop, well, you have to put your foot on the ground, otherwise you will fall over. So that's the gyroscopic effect. This box uses that effect to measure movements. So there are several of these systems with a spinning wheel on it. This wheel is in some kind of cradle, which is hinged to the body of the box. On all of these hinges are meters. So if the box moves, the spinning wheel wants to stay in position and therefore gives force against these meters. So this box can measure the movements. So if the tank drives through it goes nose down, then the gun will move up, and if it climbs a hill, the gun will move down. So it stays in position. That thing measures it, and we opened this box to take a look inside and see how the state is of it. Well, it looks pretty good. We had some difficulties undoing the screws, so I welded something to it, and then we took them out. A few of the threads were damaged, so we drilled them out and repaired those. Okay, well then we have opened up this box, and this is an amplifier. Probably this thing amplifies the signals coming from the gyro block. Well, it looks pretty good from the inside, nothing special there. Then we opened the junction box, also to do a quick check, and also to see if there was some electric diagram inside, because we discovered a diagram inside the amplifier block. Yeah, and there was one as well. Okay, the thing is, we know where the controller should go, and that's over here. But the controller we have does not fit these connectors. So, well, that's a little bit weird. We don't have an electric diagram of this particular vehicle. We have one for the T55, but it has different components. The wiring is also not exactly the same, so it's not really helpful to discover, well, how we could fit this controller to this wiring. Yeah, the problem is the original controller has been removed somewhere in the past, and we did not get the original one, so we only have these loose connectors, and yeah, we have to figure something out to get the system working. Okay, yeah, now we didn't have any better ideas than just testing it. I have this made this cable with a fuse. We measured in the connector where we have power, and with these pins I can apply power to the different pins on here, because I opened up the controller as well, and we saw only switches in there and only the resistors, the potential meters. So we think it will all work with 24 volts. So therefore I can just connect several pins in there to see what happens. And if we have something, well, which is like we can get this motor running or something like that, well, then we can probably figure out which pins we need in the controller, and then we can maybe make some kind of adapter for this. But well, we did not succeed till so far. Okay, yeah, we modified several fuses because we don't have these ones. Original, it had these kind of glass fuses, but you can see these ones have tabs, and this is, yeah, I think this is something ancient from, well, a long time ago. Never seen those before. I've seen them like this, but not like this with the tabs. And I also cannot find where to order these, so I modified some of these, and well, that works fine. This one should be 100 amps, but it's only 30 now, so that's much lower than supposed to be. But well, it didn't blow till so that's good enough. Okay, yeah, I think we have to do some more puzzling. Thing is, when we assemble the turret on top of the undercarriage, everything will be really hard to reach, and it will be really a pain in the ass to work on. So it would be nice if we can sort this system out before mounting the turret, but well, I'm not sure. It will be in well, how do you say? Nasty job. Something like that. Okay, that's about it. I would say thank you for watching and see you next time.